Today, we are installing white interior lighting on my Mustang. So usually you would use a flathead, but I'm gonna use this tool I found in my house. And I don't recommend drying this at home, but I'm gonna do it anyway. All right, I recommend having the car off when you're actually installing these lights. But I'm just leaving my car on because it's way too hot to not have my car on. So the lights I'll be doing are the sun visor lights, the map lights, and then these visor lights as well, and then the glove box light. Things first, I'm gonna get my handy dandy tool. Like I said, I don't really recommend doing this at home, but whatever works. It should pop out or not. All right, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm using this. So after a few tools that I've been trying to search for, I finally found just this like very thin knife that actually fits between the creases. So I'm actually gonna start on the map lights first because they are the most easiest. So I'm just gonna pry in here and then slide. I would be very careful if you guys are at home right now, but it just pops right out, just like that. And then I'll do the same on this side. Oh yeah, it slides right off. Oh shoot. Now usually with these bulbs, I would get electrical tape and pull it out, which I am going to do really quick, so I'll be right back. I don't really care that my fingerprints are getting on these bulbs since I'm getting rid of them anyway, but I would just... Okay, that failed. I'm trying to get a long enough piece so that way I can create a small handle, so that way I can just pull it out a lot easier, because these things are kind of a bitch in there. 5 minutes later and I finally got it out. The trick is to actually keep the tape as small as possible so that way there actually is not much leverage. That's exactly what I did. I had the trouble of keeping too much tape and keeping it like dangling way too much down, so that way every time I tried to pull it out, the tape was just fall off the light bulb. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and then install the white LEDs. All right, a little update. I just got the map lights off and now I'm about to put in the white LED lights. So here's what it looks like before, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after. It's kind of empty in there. I hate when my car looks just like in pieces, but I know it's about to look a lot better. I've honestly been waiting to install these. Oh shit. But honestly guys, I've been holding off on these. I've had a couple other mods that came in. I've had other videos I've been shooting, and I just haven't had time to really put this video out, but I've really wanted to get white LEDs for a long time. So I'm assuming you just kind of just plop these in there. Look at that. All right, I'm sweating my ass off. I just got the map lights in. I don't know why, it just took me a while. It took me probably like 15 minutes to get both these in. It's a lot of wiggling around, trying to find the right spot, but I finally got them in, and there they are. Just gonna put these back in, and we should be good to go. It's looking real nice. Hell yeah. It's definitely worth the upgrade for sure. Onto the sun visor lights. I got my handy dandy tool right here. Let's try and pop these suckers off. I'm gonna start from the side. Hopefully it just pops right out. There we go. There's the top part. I'm trying to get the bottom part. There we go. Got the bottom part. Same thing. Just pop it from the side. Come on. Pop off. There you go. Okay, so this is gonna suck because the lights are always gonna be on. I'm gonna grab myself a screwdriver really quickly. I don't want the lights on, but I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm winging this for the most part. I watched like one video on it and this is what the guy did, so I'm pretty much winging this. So pretty sure you just unscrew these two bolts. And should it come off? Yeah, maybe so. Or not. Oh, there we go. We did something. All right. That's off. And the light assembly is literally right there. So let's pop these suckers off and put the new bulbs in. I gotta keep my car on. It's so hot in here. Lights are in. Lights are in. Starting to assemble this back in here and screw her back in. Start on the next side. Nice and flush. Whoa, why is only one on? Ah, much better. These lights are really bright actually. I wish there was a way to turn them. There we go. Maybe I can turn them off so they don't blind me while I'm screwing these back in. Shit! Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, that looks 10 times better. Perfect. Let's move on to the passenger side. And oh, it's so satisfying. Let me put it in. All right, there we go. Easy peasy. Pop her back in. Bottom down first. I'm gonna try to flip it like I did with the other side. You just gotta mess with these things. Lights are always kind of a hit or miss. At least for me, they are. Right after I put this last screw in, then all I have to do is the glove box and we should be good to go. Perfect. So right side's done, map lights are done, and the left side is done as well. Beautiful. And then all we have to do left is the glove box, which the glove box is usually kind of a pain. Oh, I can't see it. Can't see! Guys, I'm not sure how I just cut that glove box bulb out, but I just got the glove box bulb out and it took me like 30 minutes. I was watching like this dude try to do it for a while and he just kept like pulling it out and using a screwdriver or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the new bulb in. Wish me luck. So I would be recording what I'm doing, but literally I can't even see what I'm doing. So I'll just show you guys the aftermath of it. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you how I did this. Because I've never done it on any of my other cars when I changed out the glove box light. But I literally just pulled out the glove box light assembly and pulled it out from the socket, which is right here. And I pulled it out from underneath, just like that, and just like tugged on the cord and then pulled it out, and it made it so much easier to put in the light. All right guys, I just finished putting all of my interior lighting together, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So here is the passenger side, sun visor, the map lights, and then here's the driver's side, sun visor as well. It looks very clean. It makes the car feel a lot more premium. Ford should have done this to begin with, as with most American cars. Here's the glove box. I'll roll some cinematics to give you guys the full effect of the interior lighting once it gets darker. This is what it looks like at nighttime. I know I keep saying this, but it really does look way better than the yellow lights. Has that really like premium interior feel that you get with Euro cars and other cars that have really nice interior lighting. It's definitely not too bright. There was a different package I could have got, which is the stage 2 version of the DiodeDynamics light, and that was a little bit more money, but it was also way more brighter. And the problem with having really bright lights is you can't use them. These lights already are pretty bright. These lights already definitely make sure that the entire car is vibrant enough to where you can see whatever you're doing. Like, I can look at myself without even straining my eyes or anything like that. I had a problem with that with my old car, that I put interior lighting in and it was way too bright. So solve that issue for sure. If you guys do want to check out the interior lighting I got, I'm gonna leave it down in the description below so that way you guys can go and order some yourselves. Definitely highly recommend it. It's very cheap and affordable. It looks really good inside the interior as well. I hope you guys enjoyed that interior lighting video. And if you did, please make sure you guys smash that like button. It helps me out a ton and it helps YouTube push out this video more. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so that way you guys don't miss out on any future content related to this. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. We just passed it and I couldn't do it without you guys. So thank you guys so much. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends. Thanks, bye.